To withdraw money from your PayPal account directly to your bank account, you first need to log into your PayPal account. The money will be available here, and then you will click on where it says Add Card or Bank right here on the right where this bank icon with a plus sign appears. Click right there, and you will see the option to link a credit card or link a bank account. Choose the second option. If it doesn't appear with that name, just look for the icon. It's the one that looks like a bank with a plus sign, and we click right there. Here you will see the type of account you want to link. In my case, my account is linked to Colombia, so it asks for an account that accepts Colombian pesos. However, I can use any account from any country as long as it can receive this money and simply do the conversion. So what I need to do here is link, for example, the name of the bank. I have to look for the name of the bank to which I will send the money, then the SWIFT code. This SWIFT code will be provided directly by your bank. You can search for your bank's name on Google and put SWIFT code right next to it, and when the page loads, they will give you that code. If it doesn't appear on any website, what you can do is contact your bank directly via phone or email and request that SWIFT code. Then over here, for account type, there are checking and savings. Basically, the vast majority is savings, so you choose that. If not, you can again verify this with your bank and let them know that you want to make a withdrawal from PayPal and want to know what type of account you have. Then here you enter your bank account number, and then you assign your identification number here, whether it's an ID number, DNI, passport number, etc. You simply choose it, put it here where it says Government ID, click there, and enter the number. Then finally, you enter your cell phone number. In my case, it shows plus 57 because, as I mentioned, my account is in Colombia, but in other cases, it might show your country's code. Then down here, your address will appear. You simply select it. In this case, I have it censored to protect my data, and then finally, the name on your bank account appears. So here you have to put the name you have at your bank. If you have multiple last names or first names, you enter them here. Once you complete everything, you simply click to link your bank account. Now, if you have a US account, you can link it directly here. Just click below, and it will load. This will change the layout a bit, but it's very simple. Again, you choose the type of account, whether it's checking or savings, then enter the routing number and account number. Once you select that, you click Continue and Link, and it will be linked. Now, right after that, something will happen. 2 deposits from PayPal will arrive in your account, each for a few cents in the case of the US account. And when you link it, what you need to do is, as soon as you receive those cents, you have to log into your PayPal account. Right here, on the left side, all the banks you have linked will appear, and it will show as pending verification. Just click on it, and you enter the amounts that you received. It tells you to put in exactly the amount of money that you received from PayPal, which is usually 12 cents, 10 cents, 15 cents. Once you enter that, your account will be verified, and you will be able to send money directly to your bank account without any issues. But if your bank account is from another country, like in my case, which is Colombia, you won't receive any verification. The account will just show up here, and you will be able to send money directly to your bank account. Once you do that, just verify your account and your account number, then click on where it says Send Payments. And here it will show you transfer to your bank when you have the account fully linked. Here, it will show you the balance you want to withdraw, and you need to select the bank account you linked earlier. In this case, I have several accounts from the U.S, and I also have an account in Colombia. I simply choose the account to which I want to send the money. For example, this one here, and the fee will show up, meaning the commission. If I choose an account from another country, the commission may change. In this case, it's a specific amount of money, and for the US, it's at 3.5%. So depending on what you want, the commission might change, or if you select a bank in Europe, the commission could also be different. Let's choose this one here and click Next. Here it tells us that a financial institution might call us to verify this transaction. We would say yes and simply verify it. We click Continue, and here we need to choose the specific amount of money we want to transfer from our PayPal to our bank account. We enter the amount of money and just click Next. Once we click Next, it will show the balance, the account number to which we are sending the money, and then the money in case it needs to be converted to Colombian pesos. In my case, it will show how much that money is equivalent to in Colombian pesos and the commission that would be charged. This money would be what arrives in the bank account I selected. If, for example, your transfer is in dollars, it will show you in dollars how much money will arrive in your bank account. The same if it's in euros or any other currency you have assigned to your PayPal account. We simply click to transfer the money now, and that's it. But remember, this money does not arrive immediately. You have to wait from 1 to 5 business days for the money to reach your account. In the case of Latin America, there is usually an intermediary bank, meaning it doesn't go directly to the account you put here, but first arrives at a bank account that receives the payment, and then that bank transfers it to your bank, meaning the one you selected here. This is especially true for Latin America and other parts of the world compared to the U.S. It arrives directly without any issues to the bank account you have, and you don't have to wait for the money to be transferred from another place. Once you click Transfer, you have to wait, as I mentioned, these business days of 3 to 5 days, and when it arrives, you won't have any problems, and your money will go directly to your bank account.